Hi, Vadim's here. If you run into this common issue, I'll walk you through exactly how to solve it, fast and frustration-free. To install VMware Tools, you need to navigate to VM and then install VMware Tools. This inserts virtual ISO image with VMware Tools into the virtual disk drive. All you need to do now is to navigate into the File Explorer and complete the installation. For the VMware Tools, you can safely go with the default options. And after installation is complete, your PC will require a reboot. After VMware tool installation is complete, I recommend you do a few additional steps for secure and optimal Windows configuration. It's a good time now to take a VMware snapshot. This is your backup for installed operating system. To do it, navigate to VM, click Snapshot, and select Take Snapshot. I recommend you enable auto updates inside Windows. To do this, select Check for Updates in the Start menu, and then here, select Get the latest updates as soon as they're available. And last but not least, after you installed VMware Tools, I recommend installing an antivirus. I recommend Malwarebytes. It is free and it provides excellent protection. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to online training for everyone. Have a great day.